Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change font style in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture or video. Now press on text option. Now select your text and press on add text. Now you have to write your text. If you want to change your font text, you just have to select it. Here you can see the option of style. Press on this. Now here you can choose different type of font. That's it. So this is how to change font style in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.